Hello, hello, hello. Hello everybody. I'm really sorry I haven't been online lately. It's just the thing is, it was a period of time when I was a bit unwell, as well as not having the internet at home, and obviously I had a lot of problems with my computer, but I do now feel very well by talking to you and introducing myself yet again for my new next videos for you to enjoy and support me, and hopefully you're going to like them and you'll put a lot of likes. And I hope you're going to enjoy the next couple of videos that I'm going to do right now, for you all to not just enjoy but know that I am actually online with you all, and not just being somewhere virtually away. So I'm going to do a couple of videos of the things that I use, of the things that I've done, of the things that I own, the things that I might have received from my fans like you. So why not? So hopefully you're going to enjoy the next couple of videos. Thank you for watching me, Vanila.